To grade with annotations, you'll need to go to the gradebook and go into the speed grader. And I really like annotations because you can really point out exactly what you're talking about within a document. So let's say right here we need something like we need more words there, in the, or we need them to know that there should be a comma there or a period. So I like that one. I like the highlighter annotation so that I can point out a particular part of a sentence and then make a comment about that. Just try to make that comment a little bit longer here for demonstration purpose. Alright, and I have not used the free text annotation, although you could put text in here anywhere you want, but I just haven't felt the need for that. I like the strikeout annotation. If I see a word is misspelled, I can strike out that word and then spell it the correct way. I like this free draw annotation. There are times when I want to be able to draw and tell them something like indent this. And I like the area annotation. At times you want to be able to box an entire area and talk about it. And then you can, if this is getting too small, you can have it fill the screen, and that helps a little bit. But mainly just being able to point out to students exactly where a problem is just saves so much time. To try to describe that in your feedback over here in comments would just be terrible. So I encourage you to use the annotation tools.